Melitzanosalata is a Greek eggplant dip, and we're making the chunky version today. It's so easy to make. I've already shared the creamy version with you in a previous video. Let's get started making this one. So we're going to begin with the eggplant. I'm just going to slice them in half, line a baking pan with foil, and place the eggplants in there. Drizzle some olive oil and season them with salt, and just cook these at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until they're nice and tender. It takes about 20 minutes or so. Once they come out of the oven, just wrap that foil around them so that way they could steam and the flesh can become nice and soft. Once it's at room temperature, go ahead and carefully scoop out that flesh, but before you do it, drain out those bitter juices that the eggplant releases, because they are really bitter and they'll make your dip bitter if you don't get rid of them. Go ahead and mash it up and then make the dressing. Just go ahead and combine the olive oil, vinegar, grated garlic in a little bowl. Whisk it all up and pour it over the eggplant. Toss it all together. Season it with salt and pepper and give it a taste at this point. If it's still tasting a little bit bitter to you, you can offset that bitterness by adding about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to it. And now we're just going to transfer it to a serving bowl and top it with some chopped tomatoes, olives, freshly chopped parsley, drizzle some olive oil on top, and it's ready to serve. It's such an easy dip to serve as an appetizer with some bread. You can get the exact measurements on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Enjoy.